What is your passion?
Photography. Photography is one of my passion actually, but I love art.
And how long you been doing this?
I started taking photos since I was 7.
7 years old?
Yeah, I was
Ay,
7
wow.
years old. And it was the time that I knew to myself that photography is in my heart.
Oh,
Yeah.
you discover your passion
Yes.
at early age. So that's really great. So guys, this is her artwork, her, what do you call that? Picture, photograph.
Yeah,
Photograph. And she won as a third. So yeah, she is a domestic helper here in Hong Kong. Don't underestimate domestic helpers because domestic helpers have many talents. So what else? The next.